come to school.
I'm over 20 years living in this Lagos. Look at me. What have I not done? Is he pom-pom? Is he bricklayer?
Is your uncle. Your uncle only in the village. Tie your future to himself in the village.
My uncle.
Your uncle. I want you to go to the village, but before you go there, bath with this. You don't need anything. Need anything. Take this thing, bath with it before you go to the village and face your uncle eyeball to eyeball. That is the end of your problem.
Say bad man, no try confuse me. Started from the bottom and we heading to the top. Tell me if I really never gonna stop it.
Who is in this house?
Hey,
No, it's not me, it's my uncle in the village. You see, your brother is not wearing designer. Don't worry. After I finish what I came back for, we'll go to Lagos.
Hey, let's go inside now.
Hey.
Let's go inside.
It's not about the inside though first. Where is uncle?
Which of the uncle?
How many uncle do we have? It's only one uncle now, Uncle Barnabas. Where is Uncle Barnabas?
Uncle Barnabas. Uncle Barnabas fell from mango tree. And Mona, a very deep.
What? Funka! Jesus is Lord!
Maybe you think you want to ask you for money. I don't know. Uncle Barnabas is dead. And we've even buried him already.
Uncle Barnabas is dead.
He's dead, my dear brother. I don't understand.
You will end up in my corner.
Barnabas died. With my destiny.
Dang.
He died with my destiny.
I don't understand.
Uncle Barnabas, he will kill me today. Where did they bury him? Uncle Barnabas, you have not seen. Uncle, they will bring him out. Oh, after I see him, he can die. But now they will bring him out. Where did they bury him? Show me where they bury him.
I bury him.
He cannot die with. He cannot die with your destiny. Thank you for always watching School 2 Comedy. Thank you for always subscribing to our YouTube channel. And thank you for always sharing our videos. As you can see, I'm going back to the village to go and look for my destiny. Thank you for watching School 2 Comedy. God bless you. Come on.